Medu vada. Soft within, crisp from outside, perfect in shape. Friends, follow this recipe of medu vada that we are showing you now. We can assure you that you will get the perfect medu vada.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.
We have taken 2 cups urad dal, that is 400 grams split black gram. 1 cup is 250 milliliter in our recipes. We have washed the urad dal very well and soaked it in water for 6 hours. And now you can see the urad dal has increased in size after soaking in water. You can see the difference before soaking and after soaking. Now we have drained the water, washed the dal once again, and now we are transferring the urad dal to a mixer jar. We are not going to grind all at once, we are going to grind in batches. And we are not going to add any salt now while grinding because salt will release more water. And at first we are going to grind it without water. Grind in batches. We have to add spoonfuls of water. We have added a total 8 tablespoons, that is half cup water for our 2 cups urad dal. Do not let the mixer heat up. Grind taking small breaks in between. We have finished grinding all the batter now. But now there is a very important step, that is of whisking it. You can either whisk with the hand after dipping your hand in water, or you can also use a spoon or whisk. But whisk in the same direction. This is important. This will give soft vadas. After whisking, the batter has visibly turned white. Now let us take a small portion of the batter and add it to a bowl of water. As you can see, the batter is floating up. This is the correct consistency of the batter. Now let us add the remaining ingredients, beginning with curry leaves. We have added 15 curry leaves. Add the curry leaves and add black pepper 1 teaspoon, 4 green chilies finely chopped, ginger 1 inch piece peeled and chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1/4 cup, that is 4 tablespoons chopped onions. We finely chopped the onions. This is optional. And now we are adding salt. Now we will mix this well. Our batter is now ready. We'll make the vadas. Let us drop a small portion of the batter into the hot oil. The batter is rising up, means the oil is ready. So we are showing 3 methods. Method 1 is we are going to use the back of a ladle. You can use any ladle or spoon like this, and we are going to grease it with lot of oil. This is a very important step. If you don't grease with lot of oil, the batter will not fall into the oil easily. Now the second step is dip your fingers into water. Don't skip it. After dipping your fingers into water, take a small portion of the batter, place it on the oil greased ladle, and now make a small hole in between, give it the shape you want, and drop it into the oil gently. The oil should be moderately hot. It should not be very hot, or it should not be less hot also. If it is very hot, the vadas will be crispy outside but will not get cooked inside. There, see our perfect vadas. So now we'll repeat the same process, but first we'll clean the ladle with a tissue, grease it with oil generously, dip the fingers in water, take a small portion of the batter, make a hole in between, give it the shape you want. So this way you can make as many vadas as you want. Isn't it a simple method? Do try it out. This is just a sample that we have shown. And if the oil is not very hot, what happens is the vadas will absorb more oil. There you go. Our vadas are ready. So this was just method 1. Hope you liked it. Now we will move on to method 2. Here we are going to use a bowl. You can use any bowl that you want. Back of the bowl. Grease it with oil generously. Again, dip your fingers in water. Don't forget that. Take a small portion of the batter. Make a hole in between. Give it the shape you want. And gently drop it into the oil. If it doesn't fall easily, you can give it a slight tap on top of it. So this was our second method. Hope you like this. You can try it out too. Very simple methods of making the vadas. See? Awesome vadas. Crispy from outside, soft within. Now we'll go to the method 3. Dip your fingers in water. Take a small portion of the batter. Roll it like this and shift in between both the palms. Make a hole in between and gently drop the vadas into the moderately hot oil. This is the conventional method, but beginners may not find it so easy. For them, the method 1 will be the easiest and method 2 also will be easier. But you can try this also out. It's fun making this way. So we have shown 3 methods of making the Medu vadas. Trust me, all the 3 methods are going to give you perfect vadas like this. Now let us break a vada and show it to you. Crispy from outside and so well cooked and soft within. Today we are having this vada with sambar and coconut chutney. Before we go, let us give you 1 spoonful of vada with sambar. Here, take. And now with the coconut chutney. How can we eat alone? Here, take it. Eat it.
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave your comments in the comment section below and share the video. Thank you.